This project is stress level prediction. Now I am showing the running process of this project. First I copy my file path and compile on Anaconda prompt. First I change the directory and here my running command is python app.py. Now it shows the one URL. Copy my URL and paste on Chrome. This is my home page, stress level predictor. First I enter my name and age. After I enter the snoring rate. Here I using my data sets. I collect the data sets from Kaggle and enter the respiration rate and enter the body temperature 91.84 and limb movement and enter the blood oxygen level and rapid eye movement and sleeping hours and finally enter the heart rate. Now click the predict button. Now it shows the result medium high. Now I am showing the another one example. In this project it's have a 5 classes. Medium, first class is low and second class is low medium, third class is medium and fourth class is medium high and fifth class is high. This is example for low medium. Now I am showing the 0th class example. 0th class means low. So I enter the all the values. Life stress level is low. Now I enter the 4th class example. 4th class means high. So usually first we enter the name and age. After that I enter the snoring rates, body temperatures and blood oxygen level like those details are entered. Now it shows the high. Thank you for watching.